There's Peggy. We are on Tiramisu. We're going to head out and go over to White Island and hang out and have lunch.
Sounds good.
On our way to White Island. Doing a conservative 15 knots, 16 knots. White Island, and the waterfall's running for us, so that's nice. And we are anchored. There's a couple other boats in here, but not many. And what do we see on the way over here, Peggy?
A dolphin and a sea lion.
Yep. All right. So Peggy's making lunch for us. What's on the menu there, Peggy? Ham sandwiches.
Ham and cheese sandwiches.
Yep. We're still hanging out at White's. It's been very noisy here. Been sirens going off at Long Beach. Like, seems like every 15 minutes there's a siren going off. And helicopters, there's been lots of helicopters. So, and they have a generator over here that kicks off every once in a while, but that's not so bad. And the race guys, sailboat racing guys, have just taken their yellow pontoon marker things out. So, it's going to be a race today. So some folks there have gotten themselves stuck in the mud.
Mark's heading towards the gas station.
So they pretty much stuck, and we got sea tow out here trying to help them out. I'm sure they'll be able to figure it out. I don't need my help, that's for sure.
I wonder if they went to the side to get out on the island there or something.
I don't know, but they're both stuck now.